Hi everybody and welcome to Beauty for the Win. This is my foaming face cleanser by Biore. It's for acne and it has baking soda. And then this is the same product except it's a scrub and I use this one weekly. This is the Duval facial cleansing brush. You can turn this on and off. The great thing about this is it has detachable heads. This is the exfoliating brush head. I use this 1 to 2 times a week with the Biore scrub. Now this attachment here is a pumice stone and I use this on my feet just to keep my feet really smooth. Now this is a big exfoliating brush for the body. And I love this. This makes my skin feel really smooth, takes off any dead skin cells, and it's highly recommended for anybody. Okay, so the last one here is the one that I use on a daily basis with my cleanser. It is the soft cleansing brush. So now I'm going to wet my face with the face cloth and I'll get started with my routine. I'm using the foam cleanser, applying it onto my face, and then I'm going to start using my Duval facial cleansing brush. So this brush in particular is not too exfoliating, it's just to get into the pores and clean your face on a daily basis. Now I'm going to rinse my face. Now it is time for the serum, and this is the B5 hyaluronic acid serum by La Roche-Posay. So after applying this onto my face, I let it soak in for a little while until I can feel that it has really soaked into my skin, usually about 15 minutes. And now I add the Toleriane Sensitive moisturizer, and this is really good for anyone that has acne, prone skin, oily skin. Once a week I will use these Biore nose strips for blackheads. That is my daily skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Stay tuned, I will be making more videos.